Welcome to this video demonstration of how to respond to a negotiation. After logging on to the Essential Energy Supplier Portal, you will need to navigate to the Supplier Portal homepage. To do so, find the Supplier Portal tab and click on the Supplier Portal icon. On the left-hand side of your screen, in your taskbar, click on View Active Negotiations. This will launch the search screen and the results for active negotiations will appear. If you haven't been invited to respond but wish to respond to a public tender, you can search for open market tenders. Click on the Invitation Received drop-down box and select No. Then click Search. All public tenders will be displayed in the search results. Now let's go back and view the negotiations you've been invited to. From here, you can click on the negotiation number to view the details. To allow you to view the negotiation, you will first need to accept the terms and conditions of the negotiation. Click the attachment link to download the terms in a PDF document to review. If you are happy to proceed, go back to the negotiation screen and click on the Accept Terms button. Insert a comment if you wish and click on Submit. The negotiation will open on your screen. You can review the sections in the table of contents on the left-hand side. If you click on Actions View, you can download a PDF with all of the negotiation information included to review offline. If you would like to respond, you can express your intention to participate by clicking Actions, Respond, and Acknowledge Participation. Select whether you will participate or not and add a note if you wish. Then click OK. Click on the Create Response button to start your response. At this point, you will be able to view the negotiation information by navigating through each of the train stops. The Response Overview page has launched. At the top right-hand side of the page, you will see a Messages button, which can be used at any point during your response to send an online message to Essential Energy. If you want to send a message, click on Messages, then click on the plus button and write a message by filling in the subject and the message fields. You can add attachments by clicking on the plus sign here. Choose a file from your computer, and once it loads, click OK. I'm going to just back out of here now. When you're ready with your message, click Send. Now that we have sent the message, you can see it in this folder here under Messages. When you receive a response, you will receive an online and offline notification, and when you receive a response, it will be shown here. To return to our response page, we can click Done. Next to the Messages button, you have a Respond by Spreadsheet option, which you can use if you prefer to work offline to work up your response. You have Back and Next buttons to navigate between the train stops, and you also have a Save, Submit, and a Cancel button. Now let's create a response. You can enter a reference number here if that's relevant to you. You can add a note to us as well, and you can also add attachments in the same way shown previously. You can enter a date for when the response is valid until. After you've finished entering these details, you can navigate to the next train stop by clicking the number 2 or by clicking on Next. As you can see, we are now on the second train stop, which is requirements. View all of the requirements and each of the sections by using the drop-down or the side arrows. You can enter a response using comments fields, or in some cases, radio buttons will be provided for your response. Some requirements may also request you to upload documentation, which you can do so by using the plus buttons as shown previously. After you've completed your requirements in each section, click on Save and navigate to the next page by clicking on Next or on the number 3. On the Lines train stop, you can review the specification for each line item by clicking on the link to open up further details. And you can enter a response price in the required field. You must do this for each line item. When you have completed all the lines, click on Save and then on Next. Now we are on the final train stop, which is to review our entire response. You can review each of the tabs by clicking on the links to review your work. Once satisfied, you can click on Actions and Validate, and the system will check if you have made any errors or omissions. If you are OK to proceed, click OK on the confirmation message and click Submit. At this point, your submission will be received by Essential Energy for consideration. You should now be able to create a response to a negotiation. If you require additional support, please refer to our How to Create a Response to a Negotiation user guide, which can be found on our website, or contact us at suppliers@essentialenergy.com.au. Thanks for watching.